Sony Ericsson Yari, expected fourth quarter 2009. The Sony Ericsson Yari is a 3.5G slider phone with an unusual name, and an unusual approach to gaming. Using the built-in accelerometer, the Yari allows gesture-controlled gaming. Imagine using your phone a bit like a Wii controller, and you get the general idea. Sony Ericsson say that the Yari is unique in this respect outside of Japan, and give examples of tennis and boxing as the types of game you might play. However, readers with longish memories might remember the Sony Ericsson F305, which also features accelerometer-based gaming. The F305 sank without trace after launch, and for one quite simple reason: the whole idea is just plain daft. The main problems are these: while you are busy waving your mobile phone around, then you cannot see what is happening on the screen. Another problem is that most mobile phones are quite fragile and will break if flung around hard enough. The Wii remote controller comes with a wrist strap and rubber casing to protect it. The Yari seems to have no such protection. If we ignore the fact that the Yari's unique selling proposition seems a bit unappealing, then the rest of the phone looks to be fairly reasonable. There's a 5-megapixel camera with autofocus and a photo light, GPS, HSDPA and HSUPA high-speed data, and a 2.4-inch 240 by 320 pixel display. Plus there's an FM radio, web browser, multimedia player, stereo Bluetooth and USB connectivity. You can play other games that don't involve accidentally throwing your phone out of the window, and Sony Ericsson have come up with a games organizer called the Carousel and a download service named Play Now to get additional applications. Unusually for a Sony Ericsson, the Yari comes with microSD expandable memory rather than Sony's Memory Stick Micro. There's a 1GB memory card in the standard sales package, in addition to a wired headset and phone stand. Talk time is quoted as up to 4.5 hours on 3G and 10 hours on GSM, with up to 18 days standby time. The Yari weighs 115 grams, measures 100 by 48 by 16 millimeters and comes in achromatic black and cranberry white color combinations. Sony Ericsson say that the handset should be available during fourth quarter